Curry chicken with the bread today, fam. Curry chicken with bread. Yummy, yummy. All right, we're toasting the bread in the air fryer, fam. Thanks, Rumi. Shout out to Rumi for the air fryer. Yummy, yummy. Looking good, fam. Looking good. Let's get straight into it, huh? I'm starving. We're waiting for the bread in the air fryer. Gonna put on my AirPods today. Been too lazy. Every time I do these food addict video, it's like at 2 a.m. Got some carrots, potato, lemongrass, some bone-in chicken. Yes, sir. We're waiting for the bread in the air fryer, fam. Yummy, yummy. Thank you, wifey. Love it. All right, we got our bread. Ooh wee. French bread and curry. So good. Yes, sir. Gonna eat real quick. Go back out there and hustle some more, fam. Some sweet potato. Sweet potato. Some bone-in chicken. Bone-in chicken. Some potato. Lemongrass. Some French bread. We're good to go. That's all we need, right? So good. Yes, sir. Dip it in there. So good, fam. Thank you, wifey. Yes, sir. Already marinated the steaks, T-bone steaks. Maybe go buy some asparagus. Yeah, I like asparagus. Mushrooms, okay. Maybe some portobello mushroom be good. Steak and asparagus or steak and mushrooms. Ooh wee. Yummy, yummy. So good. Try to keep this video around 9 minutes, huh? 9 minutes. Please smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell, fam. So good. Gotta get back out there and hustle some more. And I gotta buy a memory card. I have 2,000 gigabyte of memory on my iCloud, but apparently we're running out of memory card space. I'm gonna unload a lot of my videos to a memory card. We're running out of space, and I have 2,000 gigabyte. Isn't that crazy? 2 tetrabyte. Is that what you call it? Tetrabyte. So good. Oh man, so full. So good. Ooh wee. Yes, sir. Dip it in. So good, fam. I don't know if it's 9 minutes yet. Off the top of my head, I think it's 9 minutes. Let me go get something to drink, huh? Dilly dilly. Oh man. I need to drink 2 of these. They ran out of about 12-ounce can. This one is like, what, 7 ounce? I think 12 ounces is better. Sometimes I gotta drink 2 of these, so. So good. Thank you, $1 tip bar. Peace. So good, fam. Thank you, everybody, for watching. See you guys on the next one.